Well,
my chair. Well, Day 21, go.
You kill.
Start the introduction.
Day 21, go.
Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave.
Nick.
No, I'm Nick. You can't be stealing names.
Nick.
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 Ah.
I'm DIY Dave, and
Nick.
that's the Knicks.
Nick.
Hey, wait, aren't the Knicks a like basketball team or something?
Nick.
Knicks.
Nick. I'm gonna nick you.
Okay, I think it may be time for us to talk about what's going on here. Today is day 21 of our 24 days of Christmas. We have only got 3 more videos after this one, and my little people just will not stand up. And I'm kind of thinking that Santa has removed these 2 from from his list. They are gone because they are bad, naughty. See, I've got one, he's sleeping on the job over there. All right, day 21. We'll be right back.
Look, I'm dead for the whole intro.
Get your hands off my game. What are you doing? This is my toy. He just keeps finding stuff on my... So, the Lego City Advent Calendar. Today is day 21. Where is day 21? Right there. Right there's day 21. What is he building?
I don't even know. Traffic lights.
Bingo! I think it's a traffic light. Wow, there's more blocks in the traffic light than there were in the hospital. Alright, so this little block goes right here, and this one goes right next to it. Okay, so these 2 little blocks go on top of this little block. Maybe.
Turn it. Wait.
Maybe.
Can I look at the...
No, you can't. It's all mine.
Mine, I tell you, mine.
Alright. Is that what you were trying to tell me?
Yeah, they got a better brick pattern on that side.
Of course, look at that. They don't have better brick patterns there. But I like that brick pattern better. So we're going with it. Alright, so then I have another flat base. And then I have 2 more of these. Come on now. I can do this. Yes, I can. Okay, then we've got
The
the
oddly
base
shaped one.
with the headlights on it. And then this piece would logically go there. And then this piece. It's a tower. It's the tower of streetlights.
Tower Christmas.
It's the Christmas tower.
It's one.
You know what? Put the Christmas tree on top of this, you know? And then that piece. And then that piece. It just keeps going, folks. It's growing. And then we put the dunce cap on top.
What an idiot.
And then I think this piece goes onto this piece. Like this. Like this. Like this. Get in there. Yeah, I believe that's right. And this little piece goes to the floor. That's okay, they give me an extra one.
F.
Why?
F.
Why?
Because F.
And then this goes here. You know the saddest part?
The bottom two. F.
All they ever get is a red light. You can never go in Legoland. How sad. Yeah, it does look like an F. You do have a definite.
F.
Of course, if you're looking at it, it's like the lights are here.
F.
So see, there's actually a green light in there.
F.
F.
End the video.
F or street light?
Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.
He's not very good at doing my lines, so I'm going to go ahead and do them myself.
Make
Guys,
sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video now. Goodbye.
Or what? I thought you were
Or
dead.
we will find out.
We'll know if you don't.
We'll know.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake.
He knows about when you called the cops. When you tried to steal your
Okay, I think it's time that we call it a day. I hope y'all have enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Day 22 right here on DIY Dave and Company. Bye.
Bye.